All right, so this goes right here, like that, right? And this is like that. Is this thing on? All right, let's get into this. And yes, it goes like that, and like this, like that, maybe, or something like that. All right, yeah. So here we go again. All right. Welcome back, guys. I'm SB. Thanks for tuning in. I know it's been a while. It's what, over a month now. Wow. For those of you still out there, hey, thanks for stopping in today. And I want to give you guys a little perspective. Plus, I got a treat for you. I'll show you what I did get. Oh man, super happy I got this. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you probably already know where this is going. But here we go. Anyway, check it out, guys. Nothing new. If you are a regular viewer, you know what's up. And this one, the only thing different is it's a 2021. So yeah, wonderful. Really, really stoked to get that. So yeah, where's that? There it is right there. All right, let's put these side by side. How about that? There we go. The only thing I don't have is the 2021 AGEs yet. Hopefully, I'll somehow get that into the stack somehow. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about today, man, is the pumpers. The pump is on. I've been quiet for a month now, and there's a good reason for that. They were loud and clear, talking about the greatest thing since sliced bread. That they were gonna squeeze silver, right? They were gonna knock it down, right? They're gonna kill the shorts. Another thing that's going on is this like 2011? Well, could be. Who am I to judge, or I have no crystal ball. I have no fight in this whatsoever. For me, guys, precious metals, it's a savings account. If you want to get rich off of this stuff, I advise you to become a bullion dealer. They're the only ones getting rich. That's a fact. And you guys saw it on that what was it, the Squeeze Sunday, where they pulled all their inventory off the shelves once again, and they decided to come back later that evening and charge you $10 extra per ounce for Silver Eagles. It doesn't get any plainer than that, guys. The pump, it was well orchestrated. It was well done. So kudos to you gougers out there. You did a great job, and it's still continuing. I just saw a video posted yesterday where Silver Millionaire. Yeah, Silver Millionaire. That doesn't make any sense, guys. That's not what this is for. That's not what this is about. This is about putting money away, saving it. That's what silver is. That's what gold is to retain your wealth. That's it. If you want to get rich, I advise you to go into the large casino and or play the lottery, or start a business, something else. That's not what this is. Okay, this isn't going to make you rich. Okay, all this is going to do is just take your money and change it into something else. You know what I mean? And if you guys are on the fence about knowing what to buy or when to buy, man, it's pretty clear now what we all should be buying, at least here in the United States. In the United States, it's Eagles, right? And it's the 10-ounce bars that you can't find, or the RCM bars. I can't find these. I can't locate any in stock anywhere, and that's what tells me what I should be stacking in previous time frames. Not like right now, but in previous time frames, that's what it tells me what we should be stacking, guys. And we should be stacking things that are doing well, things that have the huge premiums on them, right? We want to buy those things whenever the price and the economy is in a good, safe place. All right, so is this like 2011? That's going to be the next thing that comes up, right? I don't know, guys. I like I said, I have no crystal ball. I cannot tell you that this is going to $50 an ounce. I can't tell you that it's not going to back to the teens. You know what I mean? I just don't know. And for those out there speculating one way or the other, it's, you know, it's hit and miss. Okay. I just don't get the whole demand aspect. Once demand picks back up, or once the industry picks back up, this right here is supposed to shoot up in price. That wasn't reflective on the last run. The reason why it shot up in price on the last run in 2011 was, well, the dollar lost value. It went all the way down into the 70s. So I'm not 100% sure that that's going to take place again this time. I mean, it could, but you never know, right? So what should you be buying? I don't know, guys. It's really up to you. I mean, me right now, I'm a total hold on silver. Total hold on silver. It's just not worth the premiums to me, in my opinion. But you guys, it's your money. Do with what you please. But is this? I just don't think that we're gonna see that 2011 gain, because there's another player in the mix. And if you've been sleeping under a rock, whether you believe in it or not, cryptos, man. Cryptos are taking some of the hay away from the precious metals. Seriously, if Bitcoin or any of the other cryptos weren't there, I could definitely see $3,000 per ounce for gold. I really could. But with cryptos taking some of that market away from your silver and gold, it's hard to see those potential gains coming back from the previous years. Because if you guys haven't been keeping up, Bitcoin's market cap is now over $1 trillion. Guys, that's a big deal. Whether you believe in it or not, whether you think it's a Ponzi scheme, a huge bubble, that's not for me to judge either. But there's money to be made there. And the past month, that's where I've been putting my money. I've been putting my money into crypto, and so far, man, I'm up anywhere between 60 to 65% on my investment. So I'm not here to brag. I'm just here to tell you, that's what I'm doing. That's where I've been. That's where I've seen the good play. Right now, until the spot price reflects the premium price, I just don't see myself buying a bunch of silver. And that point also, gold, man, the premiums on gold are getting stupid too. So that's where I'm at right now. But going forward, we'll just have to find out. I know there's a pretty good date coming up this coming week, February 24th. If it doesn't move, guys, you just really have to question these guys pumping out these videos, calling for $1,000 an ounce, calling for $100 an ounce. It's just not, it's just a pump. It's just trying to get you to click. All right. It's just trying to get you to buy their products off their websites or off their Instagram page or whatever. Trying to get you to buy their shirts or their coffee cups or whatever. So just keep that in mind, and even if you don't, say you don't like cryptos, that's fine. You don't have to invest in cryptos to make money off of them. There are stocks out there, right? There's companies that do supply things for crypto. Yeah. Just look at NVIDIA for instance. Their processing chips are highly sought after and used in crypto, mining crypto. So there are stocks out there. Riot Blockchain has been on fire. If you guys haven't noticed, there's ways to make money off of this and not be in it. So even if you don't believe in the crypto space, there's money to be made. And that's what I wanted to bring to you today, guys, is be careful of the pump. Okay. The pump is real. Obviously you need hype to drive something in price, but try to figure out where the pump's coming from. If they own a gold and silver bullion dealer and they have a social media presence and all they do is talk about the pump, they're trying to get you to buy the metals. All right. So just be careful out there, guys. That's what this video is about today. Love you guys. Be careful out there. Keep grinding on your stack.